Okay, good evening everyone here. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Ikan Dialaxmi from the first class of Information System, and now I'm sitting on the third semester on Timik Anikom Yogyakarta. Here I'm going to make some short video tutorial about Visual Basic here. I'm going to submit my project for my lesson PPD. Let's start it. We are going to make the form like this. And I will tell you step by step to make it and source it. Okay, first step, open the application. Yeah, we just use the standard X and open it. We look a spreadsheet like this, the form. We are going to make some form like this. The first step, this is the menu of toolbar. This is the spreadsheet. This is the project, and this is the properties. If you want to edit it, editing, we choose here. The first step, choose the button of label. This, I'm telling you, this is the label, and this is the name and caption. The difference is, label is the name of the form, of the label, and this caption is the name of the text. Now, typing for the name of the text, your name. Just typing whatever you want. I'm just going to type my name. Okay. Place it here. If you want to edit it, here the text is still small and still a black color. If you want to change the color, search the far color and choose the color that what you want. I'm going to choose a gray color, like this, and the size and the font. Choose it. Example, bold. The size going to 18. Like this. This is still a regular setting. If you want to make it center, it's just alignment here and just a center. That's it. Finish it like this. The next step, you're going to make a frame. Just choose a double frame here and drag it here. Yep, drag it. The next one, make it same size, I think. No, yeah. So the next step, we're going to make a option button here for the option here. Choose it. We just make it 3. Another one, and another one. And the last one. Okay. For the second frame here, we're going to make a checkbox. Just choose the checkbox. We just make it 2. Make it 2. Okay, we finished for make the form, but we haven't to make the search. For the next step, to make the search, we just need to click this option. This is going to search in text. For the first, we're going to make a search option 1, like I said before. The option 1 here, the name of option 1 is the option 1 here, and the caption for the name of the text. First, we're going to the name of the text. Here is regular. For option 2, italic, and the last one bold. We're going to make some setting of text. There's three different here: regular, italic, and bold. For the check one, we're going to make a strike through. For check two, going to make underline. Okay, finish. So here, I'm going to tell you for you're going to search it here. The name of the option here, check two, must have has combined to strike through here. Strike through just the name of the text, and the check two is for search. Okay, for the search, for often the first regular. Okay. Double click the regular. We're going to make the search. For the regular, label 1 and the font, because the font of regular is bold and italic, we choose bold, and the value is false. Another one, font of italic, and the value is false too. Finished. Next step, italic, double click italic, and automatic. The source, you can make it the source here. For italic, just label font of italic, but the value is true. This time is true. It's the same, like here, the same source, like a label, but the font is bold, and the same value is true. Okay, for the first frame, I think it finished. For the second frame, here, strike through, double click. Here is the source is a little long. We here going to use our if-else function. If the name of the option check one, just control space check one. Okay, just ignore it. Value, just ignore it. Ignore it. The value is 1. Then, and label, for a label font, choose strike through, and it's true. First is true and else. If check the name of button. Check one. Ignore it. Value. Ignore it. This value is 0. Then for the label of font, again we choose font structure. It's not the same here. False. The last one, underline, double click. The same search. For underline is the same as strike through. We just need to change the font strike through to the font of underline. If the name of button is check two, don't get it wrong. Okay, just ignore it. The value, just ignore it. It's 1 then. And for the label font, going to the type of font in underline. Same as for true. Else if name of button check two, don't get it wrong. Okay, just ignore it. Value, just ignore it. Value is 0. them. Oh, I think there's a little mistake here. Before we close it, before we end it, and if, and if. Okay. For label, delete from underline. Label is false. Okay, and end it with and if. Okay, finished. If it's right here, finish. And right now we're going to check it. We're going to start it. Just click this button of start, a blue color. Start it. Check it. We want to make it italic. Going to italic setting. The bold, counter border setting. Regular, italic, bold. It's different setting. From to strike through, it will strike the text, and underline, it will underline the string. It will underline the text, and it will strike the text. Italic, strike it. Bold, underline it. Okay. Here, I think for this time, I'm just telling you about the simple to make the form, my project. The next time, for the next lesson, I will upload it. I think that's all. We're going to end it. Thank you.